Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome at Tabarak Academy. This is Amr, a Quran and Tajweed teacher for non-Arabic speakers. Inshallah, we will cover what is the meaning of oral hiding and we will take some examples. If you want to know, let's start. Inshallah, we will cover what is the meaning of real hiding and we will take some examples. Oral hiding, it means when mim sakina followed by ba letter. So in this case we have oral hiding. Let's see some example. ترميهم بحجارة. Yeah, mim sakina. ترميهم ترميهم. Yeah, we can say it's like a clap turning pronunciation. ترميهم بحجارة. Oral hiding comes between two words. إن الذين يخشون ربهم بالغيب لهم مغفرة وأجر كبير. So إن الذين يخشون ربهم بالغيب. ربهم بالغيب. Mim sakina followed by ba letter. So in this case we have oral hiding. Alhamdulillah, in this video we have covered what is the meaning of oral hiding and we have practiced on some examples. I think that's all. I can see you inshallah on the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Salam.